Referrals are one of the best ways to generate new leads and close deals. People are more likely to do business with a company that has been recommended by someone they know and trust. Cold calling can be a great way to generate referrals. By asking your satisfied clients for referrals, you can tap into their network of contacts and reach new potential customers. Here are some tips on how to use cold calling to generate referrals. Start with your satisfied clients. Make a list of your most satisfied clients and contact them to ask for referrals. Be sure to explain why you are asking for referrals and how it will benefit them. Personalize your pitch. When you call your clients, personalize your pitch by mentioning something specific about their business or their relationship with you. This will show that you are genuinely interested in their business and that you are not just asking for a referral for the sake of it. Make it easy for your clients to say yes. Provide your clients with a script or template that they can use to give referrals. This will make it easier for them to say yes and will help to ensure that your referrals are qualified. Follow up promptly. Once you have received a referral, be sure to follow up with the prospect promptly. This shows that you are serious about building a relationship with the prospect and that you value their business. Here's an example of how to use cold calling to generate a referral. Hi, John. This is Alex from ABC Company. I'm calling to thank you for your business and to ask for a referral. Client, sure. What do you need? I'm looking for new businesses to help with, add what we can do to solve his problem or achieve a goal. Do you know of any businesses that could benefit from our product or service? Client, yes, I know of a few businesses that could benefit from your product or service. Here are their contact details. Then we add the company name, contact person, phone number. Thank you so much for the referrals. I'll be sure to follow up with them promptly. Client, you're welcome. By following these tips, you can use cold calling to generate referrals and grow your business. Here are some additional tips for generating referrals over the phone. Be specific about the type of referrals you are looking for. Explain why you are asking for referrals and how it will benefit your clients. Make it easy for your clients to say yes by providing them with a script or template. Follow up promptly with referrals. Thank your clients for their referrals. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of generating referrals and growing your business through cold calling.